Have you ever felt like your art is just boring, while other artists' work is so exciting yours seems to blend in? What's their secret? Maybe they know something you don't? When you create art, you want everyone to see it, right? You pour your heart and soul into every piece, hoping to create something unbelievable. But then, nothing. No likes, no comments. It's frustrating. But why does it happen? Tell me, what animation did you enjoy the most? I bet the second one. The first one has no movement, so it looks boring. The second one is dynamic and engaging, because every frame is carefully crafted to guide your eye. When your art is full of energy and movement, it's like a magnet for viewers. So how can you make your own art work like a magnet? The secret is learning to control the viewer's attention. But how? Imagine you are a director. You can move the camera to focus on the most important parts. Picture yourself as a giant looking down at the world, or a tiny creature looking up at something huge. How does it change your perception? An unusual angle can make ordinary things extraordinary. It's a simple way to grab your viewer's attention. Now let's make our object stick out into the camera. Do you like the result? A unique perspective can turn an ordinary scene into something epic. But that's not enough if you don't manage the dynamics right. Dynamics aren't just lines and shapes. It's a carefully planned composition that guides the viewer's eye, like an invisible hand. The easiest way to control dynamics is to use leading lines. But wait, that's too easy, isn't it? Well, it is, if you only use the basics. But we are talking about making a huge impact here. So how can we do this? You will find tutorials, early access to videos and exclusive content on my Patreon. Look at this art. Let me guess, your eyes moved like this? But why? It's against the rules of leading lines. It's because a character's face, especially their eyes, is always the main focal point. We look at them instinctively, and we follow the direction of their sides. It's in our nature. That's an extremely powerful tool. If you add something unexpected as an object that the character is looking at, it will make viewers explore your art instead of just scrolling past. But that's not all. Now we need to add energy to your art. So what's the best way to approach this? Leave something unresolved in your illustration. Add an action that makes viewers wonder what happens next. But a common action won't have the desired effect. It needs to be incomplete. Imagine a character running. That's a common action. Now imagine the character about to step on a banana peel. Their expression is one of surprise and fear. He's about to slip and what? Will he slip? Will he tumble? What happens next? That's the power of an incomplete action. It guides the viewer's eye, makes them think, and injects your art with energy. That knowledge is super great, but for the most effective study tips, watch the next video.